Hey, it's One Plucky Pixel here, and welcome back to another creative design tutorial. In today's video, we will cover how to create basic camera movements within Adobe After Effects. To start things off, we do have two layers over here. We do have a solid layer, which is our background, and also the layer containing our artwork. Now, with the top layer selected, go to Layer, New, and select Camera. From here, select OK, and once more, Layer, New, and this time we select Null Object. Now, the Null Object is actually an invisible layer. However, we will use it to guide our camera. To do so, navigate to Parent and Link on the camera layer. Select the drop-down, and choose our Null Object, which in this case is Null1. From here, we also need to ensure that the other layers are compatible with the 3D functionality. In this case, it is very easy to do so. So over here with our solid layer and our artwork, simply click the setting like so, and now these layers will respond to the camera movements. I'm now going to move my cursor to the very beginning of our timeline. I toggle open my Null Object, toggle Transform, and from here we're going to work with Position and Scale. I'm going to select the stopwatch on each property, because these will change over time. Let's scroll to the 2-second mark. And from here, I do want to zoom into the dog portrait. In this case, I can alter position, and you can see the camera movement shift. Also, I can change scale, and by reducing scale, I actually zoom in, just like so. Right about here is good. Now, at this point, I do want a moment of pause. To do so, I'm going to move to my 4-second mark, like so. From here, I hold Command on my keyboard, select Scale, and while both properties are active, I right-click and select Add Keyframe. So, as we play this back, we have movement, and then the camera is still. From here, we can go to the cat portrait. Let's do this at the 6-second mark. In this case, I alter my position once more, just like so. And of course, I can also zoom in. Right about there is good. Once more, as I play back, we do have that movement. Of course, if I want to remain still with the camera, once more I go to my 8-second mark, select both properties, right-click, and select Add Keyframe. So once more, this is the full animation. Now, I will speed through the remainder of this animation as we go to the bird image, but I will see you guys momentarily. Now, as a grand finale, I actually want to zoom back out on the whole wall. In this case, I can duplicate the properties I had over here. I can actually click, drag and select. I can then choose Edit, Copy, and at the 14-second mark, I can then paste them in place. Edit, Paste. Just like that. Here is the full animation. Now, on a final note, you may want to smooth out some of those camera movements. In order to do so, it is a very simple process. Simply click and drag to select all of your keyframes. We then right-click, go to our keyframe assistant, and select Easy Ease. In this case, as we play back, the transitions feel a lot smoother, just like that. And there you have it, a basic guide on how to use the camera in Adobe After Effects. Of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out in the comments below, and of course, I hope to see you in the next video. As always, thank you so much for watching.